Friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve data on Roblox app. To know how to fix or how to solve data on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window of Roblox and you can click in this page. After that, here in this page of app info, you can click on first app and you can click OK. Here in this page, you'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can wait 3 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.